What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another John Drives video. Today we have a little something special in store. So Andy and I have been wanting to actually make side splitters out of ABS plastic. If you don't know what ABS plastic is, it's pretty much just textured plastic you can buy for really cheap. So before I get into it too much, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. We got to pull my 335 out. If you missed this build playlist, I'll put it right here if you want to check it out. Let's get started.
Is we can do the side skirts tonight, maybe later do the front bumper, but I guess side skirts would probably be easier since we're just starting off using the
testing it out.
Yeah.
So this is Andy's E46 330 drift car. We're going to be starting off with the ABS plastic side splitters. You see this all over the internet, and we're going to give her a shot. So we got two big old sheets of ABS plastic, one for my car and one for Andy's. He's going to be the guinea pig tonight. We're going to get this stuff cut out. You can see it's actually textured a little bit, which is really nice and looks pretty good. The idea behind it is we're going to trim off probably, what do you think, Andy? About like 5 or 6 inches, maybe a little less.
6.
And we're going to secure it underneath the car, and it's going to sit out about like that, sitting on
2 or 3 inches of like out.
Yeah, 2 or 3 inches out along the side of the car.
Make sure it's even as far as what's on the inside and then on the outside, so it doesn't like sag or have any like fitment.
Right. And that'll give a nice little cool aggressive look to the side. And if that goes well, one day we'll probably do it to his front bumper and then maybe part of the rear, depending on how it goes.
Well, we're gonna start using this stuff. Hopefully we can just start using it kind of like Legos or something.
It's kind of just a cheap way of adding some style to the car without getting too expensive. Like I said, it's 45 bucks for an 8-foot by 4-foot sheet of the ABS plastic. We just got it at a local plastic place, so maybe if you're trying to do it to your car, do a quick Google if your local plastic supplier and call them and see what they offer for it.
Plenty.
Yeah, that's not plenty. So you said about 78 inches, which is 4.5 inches. What I ended up doing was using this other sheet as the straight edge and marked out 4.5 inches and then made the straight edge all the way down. So that's what we're going to be cutting along with our new saw that we got from Harbor Freight. Before we start cutting, we're actually going to mark this sheet and the sheet underneath it. So we'll have all our lines marked so whenever we go and cut.
Go full
speed.
Whoa!
That's level 6.
Whoa!
I think I'm just going to send it with along the line the best I can, Andy. No promises. This is our first time.
The insides will be on the inside of the
Right.
That's a great point.
That was our plan. All right, Godspeed. It wasn't quite in, Jordan.
Weird.
You said it was in.
Weird.
Did a couple blast runs and it didn't. It got locked. Okay, it's not the straightest cut in the world.
That's the inside,
It's
yeah.
the inside. It doesn't matter.
Now we have more than we need. Just saying.
It's a trial run.
Right.
Too long?
For sure.
All right. Now we got trim.
What's the focus button on this thing?
Well, I'm saying trying to get it to mount. Cause look, it has to bend around it.
Yeah, so cut a hole out where it's going to need to be, and then you can just go around it.
Oh, I see. So right now we just cut out this little section right here because they have the pads down here for whenever you jack up the car. So right now it just slides right in between, somewhere in there. and it actually fits really good. And so now we're gonna put the self-tappers in, and we're actually gonna adjust it towards the back so it sticks out just a touch further, a little bit of more of a style point. We're gonna see how it turns out. Should be good.
I like it. We would have needed to do it for.
All right. Well, I think we can still get a touch, just a touch. We'll just send that one.
Dude, I can't tell in video, but it looks sick. It is kind of curved at the end
It
there.
is the curve that I'm a bit.
Might as well get some shots in the daytime.
What's
That
up
is
with the
nice.
vibes today?
We got to get the vibes. All right, we got one down. We're going to move on to the other side, get the saw in, and hopefully that side will turn out a little bit better. But for our first time, it's not too bad.
It was close. I felt it. Oh. Well, we got Andy's side splitters all situated. Got a few shots out here in the daytime. They look really, really good, especially for the price. You can't really beat it. 45 bucks for a huge sheet, and we only used a very small section of it. So Andy plans to actually put some more on his front bumper and a little bit on the rear bumper. That's what those two sheets are there. If you're gonna do this for your car, let us know down in the comments below. Make sure, don't forget, go hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.